I'm saying, listen, there's never been a better time to prove yourself than the Unity Cup. Go out there, give it your best. And if not, you're never coming back. But it's fine, it's fine. Just go again, go again.
Yeah, hard, tough love. Yeah. And you, sir?
I'll say, act like you've been here before. You know, like it's a big stage, but you know, just be ready.
Yeah. Express yourself.
Yeah. Wache means win.
Ooh, that was an interesting one. Short and sweet. Short and sweet.
They know what it means.
Yeah. No, fair. And you're talking about chances. What do you guys think Ghana's chances are in the World Cup coming? Because obviously they've got to qualify. If they get through, do you think they're going to do it for Africa? Because they did come close. You know?
Do you know what it is with Ghana? Time and time again, we only go so far, and then we're left with disappointment.
Yeah,
I think it's just a thing of locking in. And I feel like when we concede, there's also a lack of focus. The structure also breaks. I feel like half-time, back in there, bottle of Supermalt, back on the field, and keep that strength, that integrity. Because once we concede, it's all higgy-hagga. Next thing you know, they've scored.
Yeah, I hear you.
It's all about that integrity, keeping that. Yeah, Supermalt half-time, and it's good.
Yeah, no, we hear that.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Nigeria's chances in the World Cup?
None.
We have as much chance in the World Cup as Arsenal winning the Premier League,
Ouch.
as Leighton Orient getting promoted to the Prem,
As Man United losing to the Malaysians.
as Man United winning a single game, you know. What do you mean? Listen, it's Nigeria carry last. Nigeria don't carry last. But yeah, we World Cup.
Yeah.
We will be there.
Next question.
Okay, next question. The battle of the jollof rice. This is my question I'm asking everybody.
Yeah,
why do you think Ghanaian jollof rice is better than
No,
Nigerian?
but it's a very simple evaluation that is shared throughout all cultures that realize this when they try the two jollofs. When you go to a Nigerian household and you see auntie making the jollof, have you seen the pot afterwards? The pot doesn't survive. You guys over smoke it. Yeah, it's meant to have the festival, the party feel. It's over smoked. You guys add too much water, which sacrifices for flavor. Whereas in the Ghana situation, we use more of the stock, less water. So it's more flavor incorporated within the rice. You guys just focus on smoking it. It's wrong. And they use the wrong rice. They use the bullet grains. We don't want the heavy grains, the grains of rice, the size of grapes. We don't need that. It's too much. And it's distinct, you can tell. I'm sorry, guys, yeah?
I feel like you're very passionate about
I'm
this.
very passionate. Very passionate.
You know what, somebody mentioned about eggs in some jollof rice. I don't know where that came from, but anyway, go on. Yeah.
That brother Chad, listen, we don't know anything about his Ghanaian jollof rice, innit? We already know you come here, you want Nigerian jollof.
It's a lie.
You don't go anywhere. I've never once heard anyone say, let me get the Ghanaian jollof. What's that? Listen, no.
It's a lie because it's the standard. They ain't got to say it. They know it's the standard. When they say jollof, they assume that it's Ghanaian.
Oh, you bet. I guarantee the next person that walks past, if I ask them what jollof you rate, they're going to say Nigerian jollof. Excuse me, sorry. What kind of jollof is better, Ghanaian or Nigerian? Ghanaian or Nigerian? Which one? Ghanaian or Nigerian?
Nigerian.
Thank you very much. And that has been my TED Talk done.
In the kit of the evening.
He asked multiple people.
I'm asked
and gained one response.
So who says that? It's not his. It's not his. It's not his fault.
What kind of rigged?
I just clocked. I've taken over the interview.
No, it's fine. I needed an interview today.
You know the truth.
He's wearing the Nigerian
Exactly
fault.
what's wrong with you. But he knows the truth. He does. Deep down, he knows the truth.
To be fair, jollof is jollof. I hear this. It's different tastes. It's different flavors. I understand. I'm very neutral today, obviously, because I'm interviewing fans.
Yeah.
You, sir? And your thoughts on it?
I just don't like Ghana, so you know the jollof rice thing. It's not for me, man. Their watch is weird though as well. They got, what do they have? What do you guys have?
Don't come for watch.
Shito's nice, so I'll give them that. Shito.
Shito.
And it's
Shito? I don't know who that is, bro.
I don't know who that is.
No,
Danny Shitty.
I appreciate the energy you guys.
Thank you
man.
very
Really,
much. Thank
Toby,
you very much.
Toby, send them.
Abdul, nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it, man.